Welcome back, guys. Today we have the ABS system on in a Toyota Highlander 2012. So I'll show you how to fix it quickly. Even you can see here on the screen, it's giving the sign. So the first thing is just make sure turn the steering full on the right side and then turn on back onto the left side, then again on the right side, and then again on the left side. Repeat it twice and then drive it for 2 minutes. Then you will see this light will be gone. Mostly it's happen when you change the battery and the wheel direction is on the left or right side, or sometime it's a mechanical issue. So most of the time it will fix. If it's not fixed, then you need to show to the mechanic. But 99% it fixed. Just make sure when you're driving, drive up to 2 minutes and it will be gone. Even your brake is good, everything is good, it just came in. So even I just start it driving, you can see the light is gone. Even I did not drive up to maybe like a 15-20 second. So make sure while you're driving, just turn it all the way and then turn it back on all the way. Make it a U-turn while driving and then make it like this way all the way, and then just do like this way, so you can see that is gone. It's very easy fix. Don't go to the mechanic. If that does not go away, then there is a mechanical problem. You need to show to the mechanic. But most of the time, 99% is gone. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.